graphing of average and constant speed. We're now going to take the data we had just looked at up here and did some calculations. We're going to graph this data. Hopefully you've taken my recommendation to separate the papers and draw this data on the back of the other sheet so you can have the data in front of you as you're graphing. As with any good graph, you want to use a majority of the graph. So you have to scale properly. You have to go at least halfway with your data in both directions. So looking at what we've got here, it looks like with the time, looks like a good way to go would be to make 15 seconds. So we can go just 5 per tick mark. So 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So every tick, every block is going to be 1 second. Now going up in the y-axis, the distance is from 0 to 120. If we did 20, yeah, we're going to have to do 25 per tick mark. So this is going to be 0 and 25. So in other words, each block will be 5 feet, 50, 75, 100. Yep, it fits 125. So each block is 5. Okay, now we're just graph the points and then connect it. So you can kind of visualize as you're driving along on this line that we're going to graph, which direction you're going. If you're going up the graph, you're going forward. If you're coming down the graph, you're going backwards. If you're not moving at all, as we move across time, you're parked, basically. All right, so the first point is 0, 0. I'm just going to go ahead and plug these super quick. Here's 0, 0. 1 second, 0 feet. 2 seconds, 0 feet. That's changed. 3 seconds, 10. So they're 5 each. So up here's 10. Each block is 5 in up and down direction, the y-axis. 4 is 20. So you're here. 5 is 30. So there's 25. Up here's 30. Yeah, the colors are changing with my pen. I don't know what's going on. 6 is 40. 6 is 40. 7 is 40. Oops, sorry, ugly dot. Now 8, all the way back down to 20. So you were parked between 6 and 7. Now at 8, you're coming back down to 20. So 8 is down here at 20 again. And 9 is all the way back down to 0. You came all the way back to where you started. Now you're right back where you started. But you came back faster than you went forward. Hopefully that's recognizable when we draw lines and look at the slope. All right, at 10 seconds, you're at 40 again. Now you're shooting up pretty quickly. So at 10, you go right to 40 again, right where we just were. Now you're shooting up really fast. At 11, you're at 80. So 11, here's 75. Okay, and 12 is 120. So 125, way up top. Then all of a sudden you stay there. 13, 14, and 15. And that's the dots. Now, I'm going to try to connect these. I'm not going to have a very good steady hand for this. I'll try this. I'll go up, across, down, shoot up, and across. Now, some things to talk about here with you. Okay. You have constant speed, here, lots of places with constant speed. All kinds of places where you're maintaining a certain speed. All those sections are constant speeds. Okay, so because you just have, you maintained it. Some places where you're moving forward are here and here. And then places that you're moving backwards. You're actually going back in another direction is here. And then there's 3 places where you are not moving. You're actually still. You're still here, here, and here. Okay. All right, so you're going to now do the other graph, answer the questions. Also then graph that one. Hopefully now do it on page 2. It'll be easier. And you'll submit that into the basket. All right, guys, thanks so much. See you.